Right, so the actual main page on the inside, we've cut it to the right side so it's going to fit inside of the rectangular journal cover. We've added some smaller backing papers on top. We've gone around there with a bit of the vintage photo. So this is the element that we want framed, but it could be a family photograph. It could even be a wedding album that you actually create, and you just want a really fancy border. So let's just place this one down like so. Pop the lid back onto the glue. We're just going to flip this one over. We're going to put a little bit of a jaunty angle, just make sure you're going to have room for your casts on there. Let's just place that over there. We're just going to bring back our beautiful journal book like so, and we're just going to open this up. And like I say, because you've got that nice three-dimensional element to the book, okay, there's plenty of scope there for adding 3D embellishments actually to that. Okay, so you could, like I say, place your wedding photos, or it could be a family album. There's lots and lots that you can do there, and obviously you can decorate on both sides as well. So let's just pop on the inside, okay, and we're just going to again use some PVA style glue onto the back there, okay, all the way round, okay, and then just pop that in there. It's easier to stick in your pages and then put your embellishments inside. Okay, right, so that's one. And then we're just going to bring back in our frame, okay, which is there. And then we're just going to stick that in place, and we're going to be using some 3D glue gel. So just make sure that you haven't mucked up the order in that you created the frame, and then it should all fit back perfectly. Okay. What I forgot to say earlier is when you're actually doing this, you just need to allow for shrinkage. The clay does actually shrink a little bit, so just please bear that in mind. So again, we're just going to be gluing that. Got a bit of movement up there with glue. Okay, just move that over slightly, and then the last element to go on for the border is that one there. Okay, and just place that like so. Okay, right, we've also got a floral one here from the Botanist mould. So we've coloured that, okay, and that is just literally colouring the clay with some of your distress or your oxide inks. And then we've got a little bumblebee that we're just going to pop just there, okay. And then we're just going to be using one of the waxes that's available on the show. There's two different colours. There's the one here, okay, and this one is called Firebird. It's like an orangey colour one. Okay, so literally we're just going to brush our finger just very, very lightly over to that. Okay, just to bring out some of the beautiful detail on there, and then we're just going to go on there. Okay, obviously we've got a little bit of movement because the glue's not quite set. Okay, and just place that one over here like so, and just a little bit more on the top. These are beautiful, beautiful waxes. Okay, they're going to go a long, long way. Okay, and the other colour is Blue Lagoon, so that's a beautiful blue colour. So maybe they're going to work really, really nicely on your projects at home. So just keep on going until you're happy. Okay, like I said, just readjust that one, and there we go. That is the first page in our journal book complete.